sober. I was a little foggy-minded.
Those the words of accused killer Erich Nowsch during a hearing today as his defense team was dealt a major blow. Good evening. I'm Dave Crevassier.
And I'm Denise Valdez in for Paula tonight. Erich Nowsch's attorneys wanted to get rid of incriminating evidence against him, but today a judge ruled a taped confession will be admissible during trial.
Nowsch is behind bars for the murder of Tammy Myers in what police are calling a case of mistaken identity. 8 News Now reporter Karen Castro has more on this. Karen?
Yeah, Dave and Denise, Erich Nowsch's defense attorney said his client was high on marijuana the day he was interrogated by police. He said investigators should have never questioned him knowing his state of mind. Meanwhile, prosecutors argued Nowsch was coherent enough to initially deny any involvement in the murder before confessing.
You don't understand, I took out the wrong person, dude.
Accused murderer Erich Nowsch took the stand today in hopes of getting this police confession thrown out during his trial.
I wasn't sober. I was a little foggy-minded, nervous.
Nowsch's defense attorney questioned him about the day he was arrested for the murder of Tammy Myers in February, when he first refused to come out of his house before eventually surrendering. Nowsch said he had been smoking marijuana that morning and continued to smoke after police surrounded his home. The 19-year-old claims police negotiators knew he was smoking pot.
That I would smoke inside the window so that he knew I wasn't harming myself.
Did he tell you not to smoke?
No, he did not.
Nowsch admitted the officer negotiating with him during the standoff told him it was illegal to smoke pot. Nowsch also testified that from the time police got to his house to the time he surrendered, he had ingested about 3.5 grams of marijuana.
I was sick, just sick. I was completely, ready to, pass out.
I ain't did no more though, bro.
Nowsch said he remembers bits and pieces of that day, including when he was being interrogated by police. During cross-examination, prosecutor David Stanton questioned Nowsch about his drug use prior to his arrest. Nowsch admitted to smoking pot 2 to 3 times a week for years. Stanton also asked Nowsch about feeling sick while in custody.
Did you ever request medical aid or treatment when you were booked into jail?
I do not remember.
Now, the judge who reviewed the police confession said Nowsch was articulate while answering questions and said his statements to police were coherent. Nowsch is going to trial October 19th when jurors will be allowed to watch his murder confession. We'll have a lot more